now. If you have any question or if you're interested in palm oil, palm kernel oil project, you can enter our live show and watch today's comment with me. Now I adjust the device. Wait a moment, people. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our live show. Welcome. If you have any question, you can. If you have any question, you can type them. And at a moment.
为什么后台没有播呀？你在那个。
Welcome, guys. Welcome to our live show. Our live show is started right now, and today our comment is palm oil price production line, and next we will introduce the equipment and the process of palm oil pricing. If you have any question, you can type them on comment below, and I will answer them for you. And first, let me introduce our company. You can see these pictures, and our company is Henan Glory Oil Company, a subsidiary of Doing Holdings, and our company was established at 2011 and has 14 years experience of manufacturing the edible oil production. And our equipment has been exported to 120 countries and regions. If you are interested in our private project, and you can find our contact, find our WhatsApp address or email from comment area. Guys, could you see the comment area and our type? If you have any question, you can type them. And if you are interested in palm oil equipment or if you have some need about palm oil or palm kernel oil production, you can enter our live show. Today we will introduce this part of knowledge. And first, I will introduce our company. Our company is Henan Glory Oil Company. We mainly produce equipment of extracting the edible oil, such as palm oil, palm kernel oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, and sunflower oils, and so on. The edible oil equipment, we can provide it for you. If you need production line, single machine, you can enter our live show, and you can leave you need or your contact information on comment area, and I will answer them for you. Next, I will introduce our company. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our live show. Welcome. If you have disabled, and if you have any questions, you can type them. But our comment have some fault. Okay, guys, let's continue. And our company is located in Henan Province, Central China, and our company has its own factory in engineer team, and we can support special customization if you have any special need. If you have some need, and you can type them on our comment area, and my assistant will reply it for you, or you can click our avatar, leave you private message in background, and I will or send an email for us, and my assistant will reply it for you later. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome, guys. Okay, now I'm introduce our company. And guys, if you have any question about palm oil production line or palm kernel oil production line, you can type your questions or you need on the comment area, and our assistant can reply it for you. And this picture is our company office, and our company has its own factory and engineer team. Our factory is where's our factory? Our factory covers area more than 40,000 square meters. And has more than 200 staffs. And we have four 14 years experience of manufacturing the edible oil production equipment. Okay, these are our staffs, and this is our idea, and quality first and integrity first, and we want win-win cooperation. Guys, if you wanna find a company of palm oil equipment or palm kernel oil equipment, you can enter our live show. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. And our live show was started just now. Introduce our company, and you can see our company main equipment, and I will introduce it for you. And first, these are our equipment, such as palm oil and palm kernel oil, a press machine or refinery machine, all we have, and solvent extraction plant. And these are refinery machine. And we also have different kinds of pricing machine. We can supporting customization according to need. And this part is palm kernel equipment. Welcome guys, welcome to our live show. Welcome guys. Guys, if you have any question, or if you have any need, you can type them on comment area, and my assistant can reply it for you. And these are our pricer. This pricer is common oilseed pricer. Guys, if you want investment some common oilseeds project, we can provide a single machine or production line for you. And these are private project workshop. And this picture is refinery equipment, and these two pictures is solvent extraction equipment. And this picture is different kind of solvent extraction equipment. Welcome guys. Guys, if you out of our live show, if you're interested in palm oil equipment or palm kernel oil equipment, you can enter our live show. Welcome guys, welcome to our live show. Today our topic is palm pricing production equipment, and I will introduce the feature of equipment and process of palm oil production process. This picture is our factory, and our company has overseas warehouse in Nigeria. If you need the equipment, if you choose our equipment and you locate in Africa or Southeast Asia, we can transport equipment from Nigeria, can saving you cost and transport time. And we also have many patents. And guys, if you are interested in our company, we welcome you visit and communicate with us. And if you want to try try to use information, try to use equipment, we also welcome you. Okay, these are our private projects. If you're interested in this, we can arrange the right sales manager for you to explain this private project. Okay, next, let's use the 3D video to see palm oil production line, what equipment is available. First, let's use the 3D surround video to see what equipment. Welcome guys, welcome. We are Henan Glory Company. Today our topic is palm oil production line, and I will introduce the equipment and the process of palm oil pricing process. If you're interested in this comment, you can enter our live show. And first, let's use this 3D video. And in the video, the middle to yellow equipment is a priser. It is double screw palm oil priser, and the digester is on the top. The thresher and bucket elevator is behind it. In this production line, we also equipped the crane to transport the palm fruit bunches. These two tanks are sterilizer, provide high temperature steam to sterilization the FFB. Welcome guys. Welcome to our live show. Welcome guys. We are Henan Glory Company. Today our topic is palm oil production line. We will introduce equipment and the process. If you have any question, you can tap them on comment area, and assistant will reply it for you. And now we will use 3D video to see what equipment is available. And this is 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. And this part is production equipment. And in this production line, we also equipment steam boiler to provide high temperature steam. And this is foam scrubber to deal with the exhaust gas. And this big tank is oil storage tank. This is pump house, and this is oil distribute shed. Tanker truck can park under this shed to load palm oil. Okay, next let's use 3D video to see 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. Palm oil production line is divided into several steps, such as sterilization, threshing, and digesting, pricing, clarification, and vacuum drying. And first step is sterilization. The FFB, fresh palm fruit bunches, are unloaded on ground by trucks, and the workers load the FFB into the fruit cage. You can see the fruit cage is fan-shaped, and 4 fruit cage can put into each sterilizer. The door of sterilizer is automation hydraulic door without worker, and the pump and the FFB put into heat for 60 minutes to 90 minutes, and after sterilization, the palm fruit bunches will become softened and easier to remove the fruit. Up next, we will see this single room is boiler room. This boiler is biomass boiler. It can burn branches or firewoods and empty palm fruit bunches after threshing. And the steam from the boiler enters to the drum steam and then enters to each section to heat palm crude oil. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys. We are Henan Glory Company, Central China Company, and today our topic is palm oil production line. Now, I will introduce the process and equipment of palm oil production line. If you have need or if you have any questions, you can type them on comment area, and my assistant will reply it for you. And the after sterilization, the crane lifts the fruit cage and put fruit cage on the shelf. The cage will be tilted so that the palm fruit bunches can enter the thresher. This thresher is drum time palm oil thresher. Is 2.5 meters. Because this thresher is long enough, the palm fruit bunches can stay inside a long time, and the fruit can be removed clean. And the fruit bunches can be rolled and beaten inside. The palm fruit can be collected for next stage, and the empty palm fruit bunches will fall down from the other side, and we will prepare a trolley to collect. Welcome to our live show. Welcome guys. And now I'm introduce the palm oil production line, and I will introduce process and equipment. If you have need and if you have any question, you can type them on comment area. And then the palm fruit enters to the next section as digesting, and the palm fruit enters to the digester. This digester is a vertical digester. They have heating coils and a steering knife. It can destroy the structure of palm fruit, and after digesting, during digesting, the palm fruit will blow out some palm oil, and we design an oil collecting tank on the pipeline below. This is oil collecting tank, and then the pump fluid enters to the presser. This two yellow equipment is the presser. It is double screw pump oil presser, and there has two screws. It can move relative to each other, and the oil will be discharged by beating. It controls internal pressure by hydraulic pump station and the reducer at the tube without manual. So it has a high degree of automation, and it can decrease the residual oil rate. And after pricing, the fiber and kernel mixture came out from this side, and the palm crude oil will flow out through the side of pipe and then enters the oil storage temporary tank. Next, enters to the clarification section. Now we will introduce the palm oil production line. And if you have any question, guys, if you can type them on comment area, and my assistant can reply it for you. Or if you have some need, or if you're interested in our equipment, you can click our avatar and send a private message for us in background. And this section is clarification section, because the palm crude oil has many impurities such as pure fiber and kernel and nuts. So several step clarification is necessary. And first thing we see is vibrating screen that has 3 layers of filter plate. No. And the top of two layer has different mesh size. The first layer mesh is larger. The second layer, the diameter is smaller. And the crude oil can flow out from the pipeline, and the impurities can flow out in the incision. Next, the crude oil enters the clarification tank to the middle and lower part. And crude oil will be settled inside. After settling, the upper part is clean oil, the lower part is dirty oil, and we design an overflow device on upper part, and the clean oil will be always taken. And next, the crude oil pumped to the last section, to the filter plate, to the plate filter, and you can see there has filter close on each replace on each frame from the plate filter, and the impurities can be left on the filter close by squeezing, and the clean crude oil will flow out by the side of outlet. Welcome guys, welcome. Guys, if you have any question, you can type on the comment area. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. Today our topic is palm oil production line, and we will introduce the equipment and the process. If you are interested in palm oil or equipment or palm kernel oil equipment, you can enter our live show and watch today's comment with me. And last step is vacuum drying. The crude oil enter the vacuum dryer, and it will be heat to boiling, and the wet vapor will go up through the pipeline. The wet vapor and the small amount of oil vapor will enter the oil water splatter together. In this oil water splatter, the oil vapor will fall down to collect, and the water vapor will still go up to the water spray device. In this device, it will become circulate water and enter the entire equipment. After vacuum drying, the water can be the crude oil can be stored long time, so the crude oil can be pumped into the oil storage tank. And this is after filtering. The plate filter removes the impurities on the plate filter, and the exhaust gas after biomass combustion need to be treated, and the exhaust gas enters to the water spray device. And the exhaust gas can be discharged after spray. Okay, this is the above is 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. Guys, if you have any question or if you have need of equipment, you can type them on our comment area, or if you want equipment, you can click our avatar and send a private message for us in background, and or send an email for us. Our assistant will reply it for you. And next, let's use picture to know the details of the equipment, and I will introduce the feature of our equipment. Okay, this picture. In this picture, all of palm oil and palm kernel oil production equipment. If you need a single machine or production line, or we can provide it. And first, let's see the pricer. It is important for production line, and we have two kinds of pricer. The first is single screw palm oil pricer, and it is suitable for home use, small investor, palm oil production business starter, and its capacity is smaller than the other one. Its capacity is 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour, and it not suit for production line, but it is low cost, and it has less footprint. And guys, if you want to get free quotation, you also can click our avatar and send a private message for us. And the other one is double screw palm oil pricer, and there has two screws, and it can move relative to each other, and so its residual oil rate is lower than the single screw, and its capacity is bigger than the other one. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour at least. And if you want a larger capacity, we can provide it, and we can supporting special customization according to your need. We have our own engineering team, and this kind of equipment suitable for home use and small investors, and it fits large-scale palm oil mill plants. It can increase your high oil yield, and it is fully automatic. And the out oil rate is stability. And next, let's see the production line. The first is simple palm oil pricer price line, and it has 3 equipment. The first is a simple thrasher. It's a simple thrasher, and it can increase your thrashing automation. Welcome guys. Welcome to our live show. Welcome. Now I'm introducing the equipment of palm oil production line. Guys, if you have need, you can click our avatar and send your contact information, or you can send a private message in background for us, and my assistant will reply it for you. And if you have some questions, you can type them on comment area, and I will answer them for you. And then now, this price line is a single palm oil price line. It only has 3 equipment, so it is lower cost and it is